Hello YouTube gardeners. This week at Southern California Gardening, we wanted to share with you this great baby beet seed. We're all familiar with the outstanding health benefits that beets provide, and on our quest to grow foods rich in anthocyanins, we're also growing foods rich in beta-cyanins. Beets are a good source of vitamins and minerals, and a study in 2015 showed the increase in heart muscle power. Another study in 2011 showed that it may help improve the blood flow to the brain, which may help slow cognitive decline. Since they're rich in beta-cyanins, a class of potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, then they may be a help in preventing some cancers. And all of these health benefits are extremely important. There's one more that's very important to me. Beets have been known to help support the liver by reducing fatty deposits and may even help protect from toxins. And the reason why I said that the liver function was an important health benefit for me and my body is because I have a genetic blood disease called hemochromatosis. It's basically iron overload, and it causes my body to absorb iron from everywhere, whether it's meat, vegetables, even cooking in cast iron skillets. While most of the population has a hard time absorbing iron, my body overabsorbs it and starts depositing it in my vital organs. And the liver and the heart are the main ones that get most of the iron absorption. So we'll be growing lots of beets to take advantage of their amazing health benefits. Now, most people like to eat their beets cooked, but I like to eat them raw. And so I found this great seed by Johnny Seeds, and it is a baby beet. Here is the seed packet information. Let me move this paper over here. It's too hard to see over there. And it's a mini beet, the best mini beet, and a true baby beet. It's about the size of a radish, so that's perfect for just snacking on for me. And if you like the health benefits of beets, or you just love the flavor of beets, give these guys a try. All right, I'm gonna get these guys planted in a raised bed with some Edna's Best. I'm gonna add some Dr. Earth fertilizer, and that should do it. So also, I just wanna mention real quick that hemochromatosis has a nickname of the Celtic Curse. And even though it's definitely deadly, if you catch it early enough, then there are ways to maintain it. So when you're getting your annual blood work done, mention to your doctor that you'd like to be tested for hemochromatosis just by checking your iron level, your ferritin, and your saturation. With just those simple tests, it'll show if your iron levels are too high, and then you can catch it early, and then you can work on bringing your iron levels low and maintaining them in a low level to protect your organs from severe damage. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.